DIY hair growth. So this is my DIY hair growth, guys. How you love that? Can't you see what's inside? Can you guess? Take a look at that. Who can guess the ingredient? That's my hair grower DIY. So I made it. It's been a while, guys. Like near several months now, or nearly a year. I just keep on adding the oil. That's all. The rest is just like that ever since. So it's nearly 1 year now. So based on experience, obviously you can, some of the herbs you can answer it. So write in the comment section, what are the kind of herbs inside in this DIY hair grower. So this is my own version, and obviously there is an essential oil I added in here, and of course some of the herbs, but I want you to guess and write at the comment section the ingredients that you can see here. So as you can see how my hair grow, guys, but you should, based on experience, it should be applied consistently, like straight 12 days. Then you can see the visibility or the result of the mixture. So actually it's not a mixture, it's kind of infusion, because it was not mixed, it's just infused oil. So natural oil, guys. As you can see here, it's a natural oil. So I just made a small batch just to, it's kind of a experimental period. If I need to increase the consistency or the concentration, and also the effect on the normal temperature environment. And also I'm trying to see how long the ingredient will last without changing the physical appearance based on normal temperature. So I just set it, guys, based on normal temperature so far. So this is normal temperature setting time experiment. So far, guys, nearly 1 year now. So that's how it looks like. And the effect of my hair is not bad. So far, I've noticed my hair. And also most of my friends says my hair, they says mostly it become like long. And it grows fast compared to the previous days. Well, I'm not convincing you to believe me, but I'm just showing you that we can make our own hair grower at home based on what you have in your kitchen. But if you want to have an effective DIY hair grower that If you don't want to do your own, you can just buy online, guys. There are a lot available online hair grower. So this is just my own, and I'm just showing you that if you want to save money, you can make your own. But if you don't want to waste your time, well, try to do some research and find it online. But in my case, I just want to enjoy to do my own and experience it on my own. So this is what I did. I'm just showing you my own DIY hair grower infused oil. So those are herbs. Some of my herbs is from my garden, and some of this, what I have here is like one of the ingredient I bought it from the store, and also the essential oil, because it's not easy to extract, guys, the essential oil. So guess what are the ingredients? Write at the comment section, guys, and let's share ideas and opinions. So that's it, guys, and I just love my flower. Somebody commented in the comment section, I have a blog of this flower, guys. There is what they call it, like winter top. I forgot the name exactly. Oxymoids. That's what they call it. It's a beautiful flower too. I just love it. But there is no connection with my hair grower, guys. That's for beautifying. It's a home decor. Well, anyway, back to the hair grower. So write at the comment section, and if you want to try, well, I could reply to you at the comment section, guys, as soon as possible, whenever you want it. So I'm just sharing you my own DIY hair grower infused oil. So there is no danger because this is not mix. This is just this is not a mixture. It's just infusion, natural infusion without heating. So that's it, guys, and make a comment down below. What are the ingredients you can see in this hair growing oil that I make? Take a look. Well, bye, guys, and guess the essential oil that I add in there, and then I will tell you next time the functions of each ingredient on our hair. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.